So here's the scenario. One or both of your earbuds are not charging even when you put them in the case and your case is fully charged up. And you may think that this might be a problem with the battery in your earbud, because they must have tiny batteries that are recharged from the case. And batteries do have a lifespan. So that might be what you're thinking. And I was thinking the same, because I had this problem for a few weeks, and these are AirPods Pro 2, which I've had for over a year. So I was thinking the worst. And if you go and I show you the pop-up message that you'll probably see as well, where it shows the one earbud is charging, but the other one is not. Or even maybe both of them are not charging, yet your case is fully charged, or in my case, it's nearly fully charged, 98%. But there is a fix to this. And for me, all I had to do was clean the contacts at the bottom of this case, because if you look at the bottom, there's these copper contacts at the bottom of the pocket where the earbud goes in, and that contacts the contacts on the stem of your earbud. And if there's any dust or a bit of wax that's covering those contacts, it can cause the connection to fail, and it won't charge. And so for me, the fix for me was simply to get a cotton bud and just very carefully clean the contacts at the pocket in your case. You can use a bit of tissue or something, but as long as you're very careful that you just clean the contacts and get rid of any dust or any wax, because you do get wax that accumulates around your case, your AirPod case, and you also get wax that accumulates around the speaker bit as well. So it's a good idea to give your AirPods a full clean to get rid of the wax, because wax does accumulate and that would affect the sound quality as well. And this works for me, and I don't have any problems anymore. These are back to normal and they're charging perfectly. So that's the solution that worked for me, and I hope it works for you as well. And if it does, please thumbs up, share and subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks for watching.